Children, moving to the B bit. Page number 9. C. B bit. What is telling here? Fill in the blanks with either accept or accept. Accept or accept. Accept means what? What is meant by accept? Accepting something which is given by others. When we are taking something, that is known as accept. Accepting. Accept means what? Leaving that one thing. When we choose another thing, leaving the one thing, that is known as accept. See, if there are about 5 flowers in one bouquet, okay? 5 different flowers. Red, blue, and orange, white, and some other green color. Okay? These 5 roses. And you will be choosing only 4 roses, leaving one thing. Okay? When we leave one thing and choose other things, that is known as accept. Okay? Am I clear, children? When we choose something, leaving one or the other things behind, that word is for that. The word is accept. Okay now. So here we had given few statements and he had given a blank. We need to fill those blanks with the word accept or accept. First one is everyone dash Tom came to the party. Okay, what they are saying? Everyone came. Everyone dash Tom came to the party. So which word will come? Accepting, taking will come or accept will come? Leaving one thing, right? So here accept will come. You understood now? Everyone came to the party except Tom. Tom did not come to the party, but all the friends have attended the party. Now second one. I cannot dash your present. Taking means what I said. When we take something from others, what I said? Accept will come. So here he is saying I cannot dash your present. So here it will come accept. Okay? Okay, children. I cannot accept your present. Present means what? A gift. Okay? Now, third one. I like the book dash for its cover. So here what is coming? I like the book dash for its cover. So which word will come here? Accept. Means the cover is not good. Okay. So see the sentence here. I like the book except for its cover. The cover is not nice, but I like the book. The cover is not at all nice. I just want the book, he said. Understood? Now, fourth one. Fourth one is I dash your apology. Apology means what? If someone is saying sorry. Being sorry, that is known as apology. Okay, when someone hurt us, they will come and say sorry to us, right? That is known as apology. Here what will fit? Accept will fit or accept will fit? Tell me. Of course accept will fit, right? I accept your apology means I accept. If you are telling sorry to me, I accept your apology. A-C-C-E-P-T. Accept. Fifth one. Put all the fruits in the refrigerator. Refrigerator. Refrigerator means what, children? Your fridge. Everyone have fridge in your home? Okay. Dash the bananas. We will never keep bananas in the fridge, right? So what he is asking, what is telling here? Put all the fruits in the refrigerator. Dash the bananas means what? Except the bananas. Okay? We should not keep bananas in the fridge. Leaving the bananas, all the fruits you put it into the fridge. Understood? Now, sixth one, last one. In the end. In the end, they had to dash their mistake. In the end, they have to dash their mistake. Means they have to accept their mistake. They have to take it. Okay, what they have to do? Take it. Taking means what? Accept it. In the end, they had to accept their mistake. Okay, children? So these all you need to write it in the textbook. Where you write? How you are writing A part, in the same, similarly you are write B part also here. Now let's move to the C bit. Going to C bit. Here what he had given, write down a word which means the same as the hints given below. The words have been used in the lesson. So here he had given some different words. Okay, for these words we have to write the same meaning, like victorious. Somewhere in the lesson there is a meaning for victorious. And what is that word? I will be writing on the board. You guys look at the board and write it down in your textbook. Victorious. V-I-C-T-O-R-I-O-U-S. Victorious means triumphant. Triumphant we got in the lesson, children. Even we read it in the spell words. Okay? Triumphant. Second one. Forgetful. Forgetful. I think you got this meaning. Who was the forgetful scientist? What we called him? The forgetful scientist, what we called him? What is the name of the lesson? Tell me, what is the name of the lesson? The absent-minded scientist, right? So who used to forget the things. Whatever he used to do, he used to forget. So forgetful means absent-minded. M-I-N-D-E-D. Mind. Okay, children? What is the meaning for forgetful? Absent-minded. Now, third one. A person who rents out land or accommodation. A person who gives us home to live or a room to live. What is that person known as? Tell me. We will call it as our owners, right? A person who rents out land or accommodation. A-C-C-O-M-O, accommodation. Okay, that person is known as. You remember, children, in the lesson, Nilmani Babu have to pay the rent to whom? He forgot to pay the rent. To whom? To his landlord. Okay? So owners are also known as landlord. Okay? Landlord means who? A person who rents out land or accommodation. Means the person who will give us a room or a home to live along with them in their home, or they will give us separate home to live. But we need to pay the rent for them, right? So that is known as So that person will be called as landlord. Now moving for the fourth one. These all words you have in your lesson. Fourth one. A pocket size. A pocket size folding case where money is kept. Our fathers will be having, our mothers also will be having. A small pocket size folding case where money is kept. What is that known as? Wallet. We normally call it as a purse. But actually where we keep the money, that thing is known as wallet. W-A-L-L-E-T. Wallet. Okay. In the dash you write down wallet. Fifth one. A charge on someone of wrongdoing. When we tell someone you are doing wrong, the way we tell, that is known as what? He is asking. A charge on someone of wrongdoing. When Nilmani Babu was telling others, you have taken my money, you have taken my money. But the others started asking him how you can accuse us by telling you are a forgetful person. How can you tell us that we have stolen the money from your pant or shirt? So that thing is known as accusation. A-C-C-U-S-A-T-I-O-N. Accusation. Okay, children? In the blank you write accusation. Then last one. Sixth one. Extremely angry. Extremely angry. What is meant by extremely angry? Furious. This word also you are getting in the lesson. Okay? Furious means complete, very much angry manner. Shouting in the complete angry manner. That is known as furious. So in the dash you need to write furious. F-U-R-I-O-U-S. Furious. Okay, children? So we have done with the C bit also. Now going down to the